This is Matthew Quo from the engineering department. I'm interested in how oil pipelines interact with the seafloor off the west coast of Africa at water depths of about 1500 metres. Worms have eaten almost all of this seabed, creating millions of tiny faecal pellets. In this photo, we can see broken pieces of these worm pellets next to tiny fossils. These pellets give the seafloor a strong top layer which the pipelines sit on. The rough surface of the pipelines break down the pellets, and this may cause the pipelines to slide in an uncontrolled manner. This is a problem, and now we need to figure out what to do about it.